how to fix YouTube full screen not working. So if you want to fix YouTube full screen not working, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply open up your YouTube application. So like if you're watching YouTube on your phone and you can only see this small screen at the bottom, which is right here, but you're not being able to make it full screen. So I'll show you how to make your screen full again. The first thing we're going to try is to select the title of our YouTube video and we are going to drag it to the bottom. If that works for you, this automatically should create a full screen on your YouTube. If this is not working, then what we can try is to restart our YouTube app. To do that, all you have to do is just simply go back and just remove that YouTube from your background. And once you delete the YouTube page from the background, you need to again open up your YouTube application and open up the video. And once you're here, on the right side, you will have the full screen button. You need to tap on the full screen. And as you can see that you'll have the full screen on your YouTube video. If none of these works, then we're going to simply turn off our phone and restart it. This could hopefully solve the problem. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.